hello, bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to our channel, Learn French with Simey. This is Simey, your French tutor. Comment ça va? How are you all? I'm fine. If you all are fine, reply in the comment box saying ça va. Ça va means I am fine. And I hope you all learned the French birthday song from last week's lesson. So this week, before going into the subject in detail, I want to tell you about the introduction to French. Before we proceed ahead, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell. And give this video a thumbs up so that you receive all my future videos. So now, you might be asking yourself, what are we learning today? So today we're going to be learning why you should start learning a new language and also why you should learn French in particular and how to get started learning. So now you might also ask yourself why you should start learning a new language. So learning a new language allows you more job opportunities in any part of the world, and you have the freedom to move to any country to build a great career in life instead of just being stuck in one place. Languages also allow you to live in or visit new places you may have never considered going. Knowing another language simply gives you more options to choose from. Learning a new language opens your mind. Learning a new language also helps you to be more open-minded and see the world from a new perspective. It also allows you to know different cultures and understand how different people live their lives. Learning a new language improves your memory. Different studies have shown that those who study another language have improved memory compared to others who didn't know another language. Learning a new language keeps your brain healthy and active. These are just a few points. Now, after knowing the benefits of studying another language, you might want to know about French language and why you should learn French in particular. What is French? French is a Latin language spoken by 220 billion speakers all over the world. Being a Romance language means it's a language that evolved from Latin, and it has a few cousins in Europe. French shares similar grammar and vocabulary with other Latin languages such as Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, and Romanian. Now, also you might also ask yourself, why to learn French? French is a very special and beautiful language. French has often been referred to as the language of the future. It's actually spoken by millions and millions of people in the world. It is not only spoken in France, but in many countries across the world. It's an official language in countries like Belgium, Switzerland, Canada, Monaco, Africa, Benin, etc. French is the second most widely learned foreign language after English, and the latest prediction is that French will be spoken by 750 million speakers by 2050. We can also say it's a universal language. Also, you come across lots of reasons related to culture, cinema, literature, sports, beauty, etc. As I studied in French, I really enjoy reading French stories and literature. The study also shows that French remains a prestigious language, still often used within international organizations and in diplomacy, notably including within the United Nations. Learning French is extremely useful for educational and professional settings. Learning French helps you to learn more foreign languages. Once you know French, it's much easier to learn languages similar to French like Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Romanian. Now, you might be thinking, is learning French difficult or easy? On first listen, French can sound odd to English speakers. It's a fairly melodic language, punctuated by less than desirable sounding nasal and glottal sounds. However, French sounds aren't as foreign to English speakers as you might expect. French and English share a lot. Quite a few English words have origins in French words. French is the easiest language relatively if you speak English already. Speakers of French have relatively little difficulty with French pronunciation since a lot of the sounds are similar, but there are some trickier sounds to familiarize yourself with. Firstly, almost all of the consonants in French can be found in English. The one consonant that will sound different to English speakers is the French R sound. Take note that this is not the same R sound as in English, nor is it the rolled R in Spanish or Italian. Instead, it's made at the back of the mouth, almost like gargling water, without actually using water. Good fact, isn't it? What English speakers will find most different in French pronunciation are the vowel sounds. Some French vowels are close to English vowels, but I feel like the French U sound are completely different. French has a special group of vowels called nasal wobbles. These vowels are produced in the nasal cavity and generally occur when the vowel is preceding an M or an N, as in the word vin, vine, or bon, good, and also bonjour, just saying. Wait for our future video for pronouncing French nasal vowels. Then why wait? We'll get started learning French with Simey. Stay tuned for our next French lessons. Au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.